Hey everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. Today we will be learning how you can change your character in Garena Free Fire. So in order to do that, watch the video till the end. First, launch the Freefire app open on your mobile device. On the main lobby screen, tap on Preset at the bottom. Now, click on Character. Select a character that you'd like to change to from the list. Some of the characters may not be available since the character will be unlocked by completing specific in-game events, challenges, or by purchasing them during special promotions. For now, simply select the character that is available and then tap on Equip at the bottom right. Right after you do that, you will then be able to change your character on your game just like that. Now you're all set to unlock your favorite character in Free Fire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe to the channel for more Garena Free Fire tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.